Hi there, I'm Joe Lombardi. Let's explore jazz guitar together in an exclusive online group class offered through the Los Angeles Valley College Community Service. This course isn't for credit, making it accessible to everyone worldwide. Spanning 6 weeks, 1 hour per week, starting at 9:50 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Don't worry about time zones, we got it sorted. We'll cover chord voicings, comping, improvisation techniques, and easy jazz standards. Easy admission tests, recordings on private YouTube playlists, and personal feedbacks on WhatsApp. No age restrictions, extremely affordable. The class will be taught in English, but here is the deal. Even if you're not fluent, I'll make sure you understand the language of music. And my basic Spanish can be a helpful bridge too. Register now. The starting date is this January the 19th, 2024. Ok, amigo? Nos vemos pronto. Ciao.